Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing your Kaggle. JSON credentials where Colab can access them. This lets the Kaggle API authenticate. Once done, move the file to /root/. Kaggle and set secure permissions with chmod 600 so the client accepts it. Then install the Python client with pip install Kaggle. This provides the Kaggle command line tool and Python bindings. Make sure to refresh the runtime or restart the kernel after installation, so the new package and credentials are recognized. Next, verify authentication by running a simple Kaggle command like Kaggle datasets list. A successful response shows your access. Once authenticated, download a dataset with Kaggle datasets download downer/name p/content to place it in Colab storage. After the zip completes, unzip it into a working folder using unzip-q so that large outputs don't clutter logs. If you prefer Python, use the Kaggle API client to programmatically list and download files inside your notebook. Finally, load the unpacked files into pandas or your framework of choice, for example PD. Read CSV/content/dataset/file. CSV to inspect data immediately. To keep results between sessions, copy the dataset to your mounted Google Drive with CPR so you don't lose work when the runtime resets. If you encounter a 401 unauthorized or authentication failure, stop and confirm the Kaggle JSON location and that chmod set permissions to 600. Incorrect path or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.